We're at the Hampton Inn in Mebane, North Carolina. Let's go in, Frank. Come on, Frankie. This is room 207. It's a king sofa bedroom, and it's dog friendly. So we're in Mebane, North Carolina, but we're technically at the Hampton Inn Burlington, which is, I guess it's a little bit east of Burlington. But this is, like I said, a pet-friendly hotel room. Come in, you've got laminate flooring. Coming directly to our right, there's a small kitchen area with a coffee pot and some tea, coffee, microwave, and then a refrigerator. Refrigerators, nothing's in it, so you can put whatever you want in it. Then coming into the bathroom, we've got toilet, sink, Neutrogena products, little hair dryer down here hiding in there, towels here, big well-lit mirror. Got lots of hooks on the walls and a bathtub. I love when a hotel has a bathtub instead of just a shower. So, big bathtub, little bar for gripping, and a little shelf for shampoo. All right, coming out of the bathroom, there's a full-length mirror here, and it's actually a closet. So, open it up. There is ironing board, a suitcase holder, extra blankets for the sofa bed. Then this has a king bed since it's a king room. This side doesn't really have any outlets that I see, but there is a clock radio and a lamp. Hampton Inns have a top sheet, which I love, a top sheet. Coming around to the other side of the king bed, there's a lot of outlets over here. Another lamp, the phone. Then we do have a sofa bed in this unit. Another lamp in the corner, a coffee table. Then there is a desk here. There's a lot of outlets at the desk. Ice and ice bucket. Then TV remote, which is in plastic. And then the suitcase stand here, or bench, or whatever you want it to be. And then another mirror, another lamp. And then there's Frankie. Frankie, are you excited to be in a hotel? No, he's not. He's like, why are we here? Let's go outside. So, coming back over to the view, we have a partial pool view. So, you can see most of the pool. And then the entrance to the pool is right there. And then we've got some parking lot. This hotel does have an outdoor pool that goes from like 3 feet to 5 feet. I'm probably not going to be able to go in it because I have Frank and dogs aren't allowed out there, but I'm going to try to go down there later on. This is the pool, and obviously it's at night. So there's chairs, sun chairs, tables, some tables with umbrellas over there, an accessibility chair to get in, and the pool goes from about 3 feet deep to 5 feet deep. And there's a restroom at the pool. This is the fitness center, and so there is a treadmill, elliptical, bike, some free weights, a giant mirror, a weight machine in the back. There's a TV in the back, scale, water, and a little towel center, and exercise balls, or I guess medicine balls, and an exercise ball in here. So it's actually a pretty big gym for a smaller hotel. This is the business center, and it's actually its own room, so it's quite quiet. And there are 2 stations, each with a desktop, and then a printer, and a phone, and some office supplies. This is the ice machine on our floor, the 2nd floor. I know there's one on the 1st floor too. I'm assuming there's one on the 3rd. So it is right by the elevator here. This is the ice dispenser on the 1st floor. And also, there's an ATM machine in the same room. The hotel has a small store with snacks and drinks. The hotel has a free breakfast with some continental items and some hot items. And there's coffee and tea and cookies available.
The hotel is within walking distance of a few restaurants like a Ruby Tuesday, a Cracker Barrel, and it's only about a mile away from the outlets in Mebane. It's also really close to the exit at I-40, so it's an easy on, easy off if you're just traveling through.